Get a feel for the 2019 Ford Ranger. With less than 50,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle provides excellent value. Here's a Ford Ranger, the midsize pickup that's both smart and tough. With features like smart terrain management and driver assist tech, straightforward controls, and a rugged, dependable build, this truck helps you make the most of your outdoor lifestyle. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: pre-collision system, lane departure warning, keyless entry, backup camera, fog lamps, keyless start, power passenger seat, heated mirrors, remote engine start, satellite radio. Your outdoor life is calling. Make every adventure the best it can be in this comfortable, can-do Ranger. Our team will give you an outstanding test drive experience. Stop in today.